Good morning, dear students. Welcome to GK class. Today in the GK class, we will read about plants. There are so many types of plants in different shapes and sizes. Plants are very helpful to us, as we all know, but they have some interesting features as well. Let us read a few. Do you know that cabbage has 91% water content? You can't see water in that, but it has. The next amazing fact is the cucumber. Everybody thinks that it is a vegetable, but it is not a vegetable. It is a fruit, as it has seeds in the center. Around 2000 different types of plants are used by humans to make food. But sorry to say that, still the men run away towards the non-veg food. So, be vegetarian and utilize the giving quality of plants. The elephant grass found in Africa is named so as it is 4.5 meter high and even the elephant can hide in it. You can just imagine what would be the height of elephant grass, which can hide even an elephant inside it. One more interesting fact is that caffeine serves the functions of a pesticide in a coffee plant. That means coffee plant doesn't need pesticide, but its own element caffeine acts as a pesticide. Let's learn few more facts. Dendrochronology is the science of calculating trees' age by its rings. That means that those who work upon dendrochronology can only tell you the age of the tree by looking at its ring. Think about it, that with the rings of the tree, you can tell what is the age of the tree. No need of anything else. You will be amazed to know that bananas contain a natural chemical which can make people feel happy. So, next time whenever you feel upset, have some bananas and you will be happy. Peaches, pears, apricots, strawberries and apples. These are the fruits loved by each and every child. But do you know that these fruits belongs to a rose family, which is a plant, a flowering plant. And these fruits, peaches, pears, apricots and strawberries belongs to rose family. They are the members of the rose family. Isn't it amazing? Plants are worthless. But do you know that during the 1600s, tulips were so valuable in Holland that their bulbs were worth more than gold, and from there only the tradition arises of presenting flowers in any occasion. Potatoes are loved by each and every Indian. But do you know that potatoes was first cultivated in Peru around 7,000 years ago? That means that cultivation of potato does not belong to India, but still it is loved by each and every Indian. Oxygen is essential for life, and the Amazon rainforest produces half of the world's oxygen supply. You can't even think of the life without Amazon rainforest. as half of the world's oxygen comes from there only. Save trees, have more oxygen and save life. You will be amazed to know that one of the tallest trees was an Australian eucalyptus which measured 435 feet. Imagine the picture of this tree in your mind, that how could be its height equal to 435 feet. Always remember that Australian eucalyptus is the tallest tree which measures 435 feet. Do you know how many plant species are there? There are over 3 lakh identified plant species. I repeat, 3 lakh identified plant species. That means that it might be possible there are some plant species which are not yet identified, and this list is still growing. That means we are having more than 3 lakh types of plants. Oak tree does not produce acorns until it is 50 years old. And the average age of this tree is nearly 350 to 400 years. Human beings on a selfish part think that it is a useless tree, but they don't think so that it provides oxygen for nearly 350 to 400 years. So plant as much as oak tree you can. You will be amazed to know that bamboo is the fastest growing woody plant in the world. It takes time to come out of the earth, but once it is out, it grows in a jiffy, just like blinking of the eyes. Everyone among us knows about the fact that pencils are made up of wood, and wood comes from trees only. But the amazing thing is that an average size tree can provide enough wood to make 1,70,000 pencils. That means 1,70,000 students can use pencil which is made by the wood of just one tree.